The studio is very, very nice. Yeah.
Who made?
Very nice.
We did. We designed. We had our artist do it, and then we have a printer. We have the printer in the other room. That did.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's painted
Yes.
with ink.
It's painted.
It's
U,
painted.
UV print.
UV print.
UV.
Oh, it's matching with my jacket.
Yeah, and then that was designed by UPS.
Oh,
The UPS design, yeah.
what did they do with it?
They just throw it from a window.
Oh my
No,
God.
they
As you can
ran
see-
over it. I think they ran over it with a truck, is what I think.
They,
I like this idea.
Yes, I know. I make your tables.
but they sent us an email. They said that there was some slight damage on the package,
Slide?
and that's how it came back to us.
No, I think they ran over it with a truck.
That's what we think.
Yeah.
I think
So
Small-
they turned the board into a mini ITX.
Oh, it looks like the pizza. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because that doesn't happen from dropping it, run over it.
Yeah, they definitely just demolished that
Yes,
thing.
but the idea is coming from the drop.
Look at the chair.
They say, what do we have to do? Just
You trying to get ideas for your studio at home, or?
We're building a new building, and
Okay.
I hope soon enough. And
Yeah.
we want to take ideas. Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Wow.
So this could be used for some high-end cases, clients, I don't know, if they
Events.
want to.
You see this?
Yeah.
If they want to check also power consumption and stuff.
Yeah, I guess it's a middle chamber, like bridge for the PSU and the motherboard and all that
Yes,
stuff.
it's between the PSU and
And you guys, this was done in house, you guys did, or is this something you guys have been?
we designed that and setup Unity made that for us.
You guys, do you have any screwdriver? No screwdrivers.
We build them with I don't know how.
With our hands, we just yeah.
But this is the standard tools that most brands and OEMs use for failure analysis also to check the new GPUs once they come out, which PSU is suitable for them. It can also get, the best thing is that it can get the power spikes. So you don't need an expensive oscilloscope. And
Oh, you trying to turn it on?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you have to jump it.
Yeah, it needs the screw. Yeah, I told him. No.
it's your system.
It's your system.
Okay, it's also software, yeah.
So, okay, so I see you connected it
Yeah.
to USB.
It's good for working.
Yeah,
This style.
Yeah, it looks like, so we have another one down there.
Which chassis is that?
Yes, it's right here.
Where you can find those?
We found them on Amazon. And you can change, like, you can do a dual rad. They have attachments.
Okay, okay.
So you have attachments you can put on the side, and you can put like a triple rad.
Nice.
You can do a bunch of different things.
Because we want also.
Yeah, and you don't screw in the board; you just slide it on. So it has the long.
Yeah,
So
that's cool.
that's why they're sticking up like that. So you can just slide it on there.
George, I think we have to get some.
And then the power supply.
Buy something.
Power supply's right here. So yeah, it's pretty nice.
So now who's doing the shopping?
I will order some. There, guys.
It's working.
It shows two main tabs. The GPU, it monitors everything related to the GPU. Now it doesn't have the PCI slot because we didn't install the expansion card. You can show the current power consumption. If you want PCI Express connectors only, PCI Express slot, okay, which are not,
there's none in
it's
there
not
right
connected. ATX, everything from the ATX connector to 24 pin.
24 pin, yep.
Yeah.
Oh, for all the, oh wow.
Yeah, even 5 USB. From EPS,
Oh wow.
you can check if you want here total EPS and ATX, only the ATX connector power going through, total 12 volt rail, EPS only, and CPU only. CPU only is basically the power from the EPS plus ATX minus the PCI Express slot.
line,
Yeah, since this is the one that takes over more power, most of the power.
So minus the 75 watts from the usually.
Whatever it is in real time, it does the calculation and it gives you, yeah, so it gives you a 99% accurate measurement of what the CPU does from the system at this time. And let's run a firmware.
Yeah, this GPU might be defective, but we'll see what happens.
Okay. So that's the current power consumption, the maximum, the power spike that it got, yeah.
So 500 total.
And we have implemented also software to show you everything else here.
Wow.
At the same time, you can see the GPU. The best
CPU.
part is that you can keep a log. Now I'm logging. All this data. This is the total system power.
Yep, 500. Pretty much averaging around 500, yeah.
So let's finish that. And you can do easily the data analysis here.
Oh, so it puts it all in right there for you. So it gives you CPU. Oh wow, it gives you GPU.
If you want the maximum, the minimum, the average, whatever you want is
Holy moly.
here. Yeah, 100% highs.
Yeah.
This is how we conduct the tests. Also the GPU testing.
Oh yeah, so total GPU power, yeah, 382.
Yes.
So that was just the GPU alone, 382.
Yeah.
Is what it's called. So the 1% was 397. Okay, and then total power was 404.
If I want to find the noise that the GPU does during gaming, I run Cyberpunk.
Somewhere for like coil wine or something.
No, the
decimal.
fan.
Oh, the fans, the decimal
fan.
counts. Gotcha.
I run Cyberpunk and stuff for a game, and I go there, take the 1% high, I put it in the chamber, I set the GPU fan speed, these values.
You match it up that
I
way.
cannot tell you, because 1% high in the highest fan speed, the highest noise is what matters the most, not the
Yeah,
average.
not very,
Yeah.
Wow, that's really neat.
And yeah, you can see practically.
This is something. It's funny because that's another conversation I've been having with a lot of clients. They're reaching out, getting 5090 builds, and they're like, I need 1600 watts, and I'm like, no, you don't.
Yeah. You don't need, in most systems, you don't need so powerful PSUs, but
1200 is what we do for those.
even if you use a powerful power supply, it won't affect the efficiency at lower loads and medium loads, because most modern PSUs now, actually all modern PSUs are required to be efficient at light loads.
Yeah.
And the ones that we test, the Cybernetics, they definitely do.
Yeah.